Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hopefully, everyone is having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. Hopefully, everyone is having a beautiful morning on this, what's today? Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. So, since today is Wednesday, that means a few things. Whoa. That means we have. That means we have live trading Wednesdays at 9:15. Right now, we about to focus on some good morning stock options to see what's going on in the world of stock options today. What's going on in this world of stock options today? Also, we're going to see what's going on with SPY, man. What's going on with this market? Why is this market so flat? What's up, Andre? What's going on, Calvin? How you doing, Miss Jolie? How you doing? Let's see. Let's get it all together. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Let's get it started. All right, here we go. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, join on to my YouTube channel. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, join into my YouTube channel. Join into my YouTube channel if you want to see my screen. All right, let's get started, everybody. Good morning, Kyra. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Ronald. Good morning, TT. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hopefully your trading day went well yesterday. Hopefully that trading day went fairly well yesterday. Let's take a look at it right now. Now, remember the zones, okay? Remember the zones we were talking about yesterday. We're gonna break that down in a few. Let me get it right. Let me get this set up correctly. Okay, beautiful. All right, everybody, take this link right now. Share it out with 5 of your friends. 5 of your friends you want to go on vacation with. Only 5 of them that you want to go on vacation with, all right? 5 of them that you want to go on vacation with when you start to make additional income from trading stock options, right? Once you start making additional income from trading stock options, 5 people you want a vacation with. So share this out with 5 of your friends, and let's get ready to get ready to get started. So what we got coming up right now, everybody, directly after this, we will have, I may just run them together, but directly after this, we will have Wealth Wednesdays trading session. Okay, Wealth Wednesdays the trading session. So we'll be trading live at 9:15. Well, once we start breaking down the market. But right now, I just kind of want to talk about this market and see where we are and see why we're in the places that we're in right now. Okay. So share this out with like 5 of your friends. What's going on, Miss Circuit City? Do you have a Discord? Is that part of the Mastermind class? So yes, so I do have a Discord chat, right? I have a Discord chat. We have a couple Discord chats actually. We have the Promised Land Discord chat. We also have a Discord chat for traders who've been in the program for a while. This is how I feel about Discord chats. I could be completely wrong. I necessarily do not. I do not like just random Discord chats with a whole bunch of traders in there. because I feel like for the most part, most people that come to me are brand new traders, right? Well, I say most people at the Most High God to me are brand new traders, and teaching them a class and then putting them in a Discord chat is possibly a disservice to them, right? I think I have to get away from that mindset, because it could help some people, but I just don't think now having a whole bunch of new traders. Now keep in mind I'm saying new traders, not people who've been trading for some time and have a good understanding of things, but new traders in a Discord chat is an actual great thing, right? But in the mastermind, everybody that's VIP will be in a Discord chat. You will be in a Discord chat that you will have access to during the mastermind. We are thinking about ramping back up our Discord, but right now, I believe if you're a serious trader, you would be. I believe if you're a serious trader, you need to have more nourishment. You need to have more dedicated time, one-on-one time, group setting time, and not just a whole bunch of people in a Discord chat throwing out saying, "Hey, get in Spy, get in Apple, get in NVIDIA." Yeah, you can make some money. You can make some money here and there sometimes, but my whole thought process is, what if that person who's throwing them signals out are not there? Right? So now if somebody's teaching you if somebody's giving you signals and teaching you how to fish, that's beautiful. That's perfect. But if somebody's just only teaching you, giving you signals, I think you should stay far away. Just my personal opinion. What we do here, we teach you how to fish. We give signals from time to time, but we teach you how to fish so you can eat for the rest of your life, and you don't need anybody at all to teach you how to fish. Good morning, Miss Massey. Good morning. What do you think about ARM dropping into the market on the 14th? It's going to be crazy. Listen, that's all you're hearing right now, Ronald. It's going to be crazy. Granted, we will not be able to buy options off of that. You cannot buy options because they probably will not have an option chain first starting off. So, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Have you or your assistant been sending me messages on Instagram? What's the person's name? G. What's the person's name? Ty White, let's get it. Yes, sir. Christina Roberts. Good morning, Miss Christina. How you doing? Verlicia Bird. Hey, love your channel. Just wondering how often do you take losses a week? I take losses every week. I lose every single week. Okay. So let me put it. I take a loss every single week. So for example, I'm not winning every single trade every day. No, that does not happen. If anybody tells you that, run far away from them. If I make 3 trades, I might lose 1 trade. Some day on a month. So think about this. If it's 5 days in a week, I might win 4 days and lose 1. Or I might win 1 day and lose 4. Just being as transparent as possible with you. That's why you want to take everything month by month by month, and you want to take it by year. Because at the end of the day, yes, Gabe is my assistant. Yes, Gabe is my assistant. That's my man. So at the end of the day, when you're trading stock options, I don't want anybody to ever go inside. This is very important. Everybody, listen up. If you don't hear, listen up. I don't want anyone to ever go in on here thinking when you start trading stock options, you will not lose. I don't want anybody to think by you listening and learning stock options, and after 1 week or 2-3 weeks, you're going to be a master at trading stock options. You're not. I don't want anybody to think that you're never going to lose with trading stock options, because you will. You will. You definitely will. Okay? When it comes to losing, it's about this. How do you lose is the question. The question is, how do you lose? Okay? And how do you lose is this. Not saying what did you do wrong, it's how do you lose. When you lose, do you lose, if you put $1,000 in, do you lose the whole $1,000? Or when you trade, if you put 500 in, do you lose the whole 500 on one trade? How do you lose? If you lose, are you practicing risk management? If I get into a trade, and on that trade, I lose 10%, I put 1,000 in, I lose 10%. I lost $100. It's not bad, okay? I would have to lose 10 days straight almost 10 days straight to lose all my $1,000 if I lose 10% every day. Almost 10 days, right? Okay? Now think about this. If you lose 3 days, it's 5 days in a week. If you lose 3 days, you have $1,000, right? You said a 10% stop loss. Okay? Follow me. Follow the math. Follow the math. $1,000, 10% stop loss. The first day you lose 100. On Monday you lose 100. Right? On Tuesday you lose $90 because now you got 900. So that's 190, right? So on Wednesday you lose $80 because now you got $800. So you lost $270 in 3 days, right? $270 in 3 days. So 100 plus 90 plus 80 is 270 if I'm doing my math correct. Okay? Now think about this. If you win 2 days and you win 20%, the first day, because you at $700, now you win 20%, you make 140. Right? 140. Now you at $840 in your account. You win the next day, you win 20%. Right? What's 20%? Now that's 160. Okay? So 140 plus 160, 140 plus 160, 280, right around 300, right? 140 plus 260, yeah, right around $300. Boom. You made $30 profit for the week. See what I'm saying? So you lost 3 days but you won 2 days, but your losses were small. Your losses was only 10%. Your wins were 20%. You see what I'm saying? So you want to focus on how you lose. And what we teach is this. We teach risk management. Do not go in there losing all your money. Set your stop loss at the 5%, 10%. Okay? But say about this. Say if you do that, right? For 2 weeks, you do that. For 2 weeks, you lose 3 days and win 2 days. And you make $30 for 2 weeks. Right? So the first week you make $30, the second week you make $30. It's off a $1,000 account, okay? First week you make $30. The second week you make $30, right? So you made roughly about $60 profit. Okay, $60 profit roughly. Okay, so you still got like $1,000 in your account, $1,100 in your account. Week three, you win 4 times and lose 1 time. Okay, so now you won 200 on Monday, 200 on Tuesday, 200 on Wednesday, 200 on Thursday. That's $800. Now your account balance is at $1,800. On Friday, say you lose 10%. Now you lose your $1,800. 10% of that is $180. Boom, you lost what? Now you back down to $1,600 basically. Now you at $1,600. In 3 weeks, your account is at $1,600. But what has happened over those 3 weeks? The most important thing that you have had to happen over those 3 weeks, not the fact that you've made $600 in 3 weeks, is the fact that you've been disciplined enough to only lose 10%. On every trade, you've only lost 10%. So you've went 3 weeks only losing 10%. Okay? And by doing that, what happens? Now you're becoming a disciplined trader. Now you can start to trust yourself. This is very important what I'm telling y'all right now. Now you are starting to trust yourself. And when you start trusting yourself, what happens? What happens when you start trusting yourself? You become more confident. What happens when you become more confident? When you become a more confident trader, what happens? Now you start making your trades. You start getting into trades when you need to get into your trades. And you start getting into your trades because you know what? Because you know for a fact that you're only going to lose 10% whatever you put in, because you trust yourself enough to do that. Most traders get into trading and they don't trust themselves enough to only lose 10% or to only lose 5%, to only lose 15%, whatever they want to lose, whatever they are willing to put up or willing to risk. Most traders don't trust themselves when they do that. Everybody, I'm telling you right here, right now, everybody on this call right now probably be concerned about what strike price should I buy? How many contracts should I buy? What delta should I get? All of those things are great when it comes to trading. But I'm telling you right now, the most important thing is when it comes to trading is practicing risk management and being disciplined. If you can be disciplined, money is going to come. If you can practice risk management, money is going to come. But I promise you this. If you cannot be disciplined, if you cannot practice risk management, you will lose every single penny that you have if you come into this market. That's why I tell people about this market. If you cannot be disciplined, do not get into it. If you think it's a game, do not get into it because this market will eat you up, spit you out, and not think anything of you. But you have to be disciplined. And one thing about this market is going to make you a better person in life in general. Because if you can be disciplined in this market, when you see thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars being made every single day by people, and you can be disciplined and say, well, listen, I see such and such over here is making $1,000 a day, $500 a day, $2,000 a day, $3,000 a day, $20,000 a month, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month. I see them doing that, but I'm starting with $1,000 and I'm only making 100 here, 50 here, 150 here, 200 here, 100 here. Listen, stay in your lane. As long as you stay in your lane, you're going to start seeing your account go up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. But you have to stay in your lane, and you can't be greedy, and you have to practice risk management. Everybody, I promise you, practice risk management. Okay, practice risk management. I'm a new trader. I trade 5 days a week, average, losing 2 days a week. I feel like I'm a bad trader. Good. Oh, by no means, Miss Bird. Or that's a female. I think it's Miss Bird. Miss Bird said, listen to this, everybody. This is what I want everybody to do. Everybody right now in the chat for Miss Bird, put CYC in the chat for Miss Bird. Let's congratulate her. Let's congratulate Miss Bird. Everybody in the Zoom chat, in the YouTube chat, put CYC in the chat. Everybody put CYC in the chat. What CYC means for our community is, it means close your computer. That means you made money, you did good in the stock market. Close your computer and go spend time with your family. So everybody put CYC in the YouTube chat. And if you're on Instagram, put CYC in there as well. What time frames do you watch? I watch all of them, Skyholic. 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 week. If you're on Instagram right now, you want to see my channel, go to YouTube. My link is in the bio. We're congratulating Miss Bird because you say, I'm a new trader. I trade 5 days a week, average losing 2 days a week. I feel like I'm a bad trader. You are not a bad trader by losing 2 days a week. It's not about how many times you lose. It's about how much money you lose. That's why it kills me, right? It kills me when I hear people saying, oh, I got a 70, 80, 90%. Is David affiliated with you? David who? The group net person. Is David affiliated with you? David who? Because I do know a David, but I want to make sure we're talking about the same David. Listen, you can lose 4 days a week and you win 1 day. But if your 1 day out is more than all of your losses, good stuff. That's why it kills me when I hear people say, oh, we win 80% of the time. 90% of our trades are win. Who cares? I don't care if 90% of your trades are win, 99% of your trades are win. But if that one loss that you take is the big boy of all losses, your wins means absolutely nothing, everyone. It means absolutely nothing. Your wins only mean something if your losses are less than your wins. People don't tell you this stuff, though. People think it's about winning. It's not about winning. It's about not losing. That's what it's about, okay? It's not about winning. It's about not losing. I could win $10,000 in 4 days because I've done it before. Matter of fact, peep this out. I've done it before. Well, I didn't lose it all, but almost. I made back in, I think it was almost, I can go into the market. Matter of fact, let me go to the market. I'm going to show y'all this right quick, everybody. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, he in my inbox. Yes, Dave. Yeah, Dave. That's him. Yep, you should be talking. Dave and Gabe. Yep, Dave and Gabe. Those are my people. Dave and Gabe. Those are my people. Dave and Gabe. Those are my people. So you good. You good, the group net. Let me show y'all something right quick. Let me show y'all something before we jump into this market. I'm going to show you guys something right quick. Boom, boom. Somebody gave me a thumbs down. Why are you giving me a thumbs down? I ain't do nothing to you. Ain't even do nothing to you, man. Check this out, everybody. 1 second. Check this out. Bernard, what's up, brother? What's going on? So check this out, everybody. Let me show you guys this right here. Let me show you guys this week right quick. This is a while ago, right? I want to show this to you because I remember it like it was yesterday. I don't forget a lot of stuff. Let's see. Well, I don't forget a lot of stuff I'm not supposed to forget. Put it like that. Things I supposed to remember, I forget it. Check this out, everybody. I'm gonna show y'all this. I'm gonna show y'all something right quick. We're gonna go to Spy. Let me find it for a second. Okay, y'all should be able to see my screen now. Spy. Gots to be more careful. I think it's right here. Okay, check this out, everybody. I think it's right here. Was it right here? This was 2021. Should have been 2021. Yeah, this is 2021, and I think it was right around here. Yep, right here. Okay, so everybody know, if you don't, there's a crazy trend line right here back in 2021. Right, crazy trend line right here, 2021. It's probably a little bit off, but anyways, crazy trend line right there in 2021. Okay, so all week long, and you can go to my, you can right now, you go back to my Instagram, and you will probably see this on my, you will see this on my Instagram too. Go back to my Instagram, back to 2021. Sorry about that, y'all. Go back to my Instagram 2021, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, okay, right here, everybody, right here, all week. One day, one. Yeah. So all week right here, I was killing the market. This 2021, killing it. So me in the Discord chat all week, we were playing the bounce strategy. So we see the market go down to a strong level of support. Boom, we in, playing out the bounce. Boom, it's shooting up, making money off of it. Now, granted, the market was still in the downward trend. The market's out in the downward trend, right? This was doing 2021. So the market, it was in an upward trend, but for this week, it was kind of going down. Monday, hit him hard for a couple thousands. Tuesday, hit him hard for a couple thousand. Wednesday, hit him hard for a couple thousand. And I think whatever day this was, I don't know if this was a Wednesday or I don't know if this was a Thursday or a Friday. But whatever day it was, I think basically that whole week, I think 4 days out of that whole week, I had made about $13,000. $13,000 in I think it was this day right here. This is the 9th, 10th. 13th. It was this day. Yep, it was this day right here. Yep, so I had made about that Friday. Yep, I had made about $13,000 in 4 days. Killing them off the bounce strategy, right? Killing them. Next thing you know, that Friday came. You guys see this trend line right here? This was that 1 year, 1 day trend line. It had been hit 9, 10 times, right? And we knew if it break beneath this trend line, everybody needs to get out of their position. So what happened was, right here, I'm in a trade, trying to do the same bounce strategy. So Friday, I already made $13,000 for the week, y'all. I'm good. Greed got the best of me. So what happens? Boom, it comes down, I buy in. It keeps going down, I buy in again. It comes down to this trend line, I buy in again. The whole time it's in this trend line, I'm losing. The whole time it's going down, I'm trying to play the bounce and I'm losing. It gets right here, it breaks this trend line. I tell everybody that's on live trading, I say, everybody listen, we broke in that 1 year, 1 day trend line. If you in the call position, sell. I say, if you in the call position, everybody sell. But guess what I did? Dumb did it. I stayed in my trade. Because all week, I'm stuck in my mind. Chris, you've been killing this bounce strategy all week, and I'm feeling myself. So what happened? Boom, it breaks through. I buy in again. Boom, it breaks through. Next thing you know, I end the day negative $10,000. I was trading Amazon this day. But I was looking at SPY, looking for it to break this trend line. End up losing $10,000 that day. Granted, I still made $3,000 for the week, but I lost $10,000 that day. What if I'd have lost $16,000 that day? What would have happened? All those wins I would have had for the week would have meant absolutely nothing. So once again, that's why I tell people, it's not about how many times you win. It's about not losing your money. It's about not losing your money. So Miss Bird, you are not a bad trader because you lose 2 days a week. I take 2 days a week every single week. I would take 2 days a week. If you can guarantee that I only lose 2 days a week, I'd take it. I'd take it. And matter of fact, listen, my guy right here, Bernard, everybody. Bernard right here, listen. Bernard right here, this guy right here, he went crazy. I think he went almost a month and a half winning streak. A month and a half winning streak. Went crazy with it. Bananas with it. So everybody, y'all give it up for Bernard, CYC. Give it up for Bernard. Venus, I just have you a thumbs up and wish I could hit 1,000 more times. Thank you, Miss Venus. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But that's the thing about it, everybody. That's the thing about it. Listen, if somebody told me, Chris, you only going to lose 2 times in a week, man, I'd take that in a heartbeat. Good gracious, I say, listen, sign me up ASAP. I'd take those 2 losses every single week. I'd take those 2 losses. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me tell everybody my Discord. We in the everybody in my Discord that we in the Zoom chat. Well, in my Promise Link group, we in the Zoom chat. Join in to the Zoom for live trading. Where is the Zoom link? Here is the Zoom link. Let's go. All right, that's taken care of. Let me open the Zoom. 1 second, everybody. We're about to get started. So, as you can see, good morning. Stock options has officially run into.
Recording in progress.
Did I need to record today?
Recording stopped.
Has officially run into our live trading. So everybody, welcome to Wealth Wednesdays, live trading where we trade live every single Wednesday. We trade live, everybody, right here on YouTube. We trade live for any and everybody who just want to see what this stock market world is actually about, because everybody probably hear about the stock market this, stock market that. But listen, I want to show you the stock market. I want to show you guys how this stock market can change your life. When we do Wealth Wednesday, if I actually get into a trade, win, lose, or draw, you get to see it. If I make $2,000, you will see it. If I lose $2,000, you will see it. My screen will not just disappear out of thin air. It will not just disappear out of thin air when just because I'm losing money, everybody. I'll show you the good and the bad, all right? Billy, what's going on? Come on, join into the Zoom, Billy. Join into the Zoom chat. Link is in the Discord. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Chef Ray. Good morning. Hopefully all is going well. So what I want to do is I want to check out these. I want to look at these futures right quick, like we always do. Let's take a look and see what the futures happen. And I got a question, like what's going on with this stock market right now? Something is going on with this stock market. We gotta figure out what this thing is. We gotta bust down the door and find out exactly what's going on with this stock market. All right, that's what we gotta do. That's what we have to do. All right. CNBC. Somebody in the Discord chat also, not Discord, somebody on Zoom, can you guys get me the stock, get me the pivot points as well? All right, let's take a look at this thing right quick before we jump into this market. All right. Stock futures. The Dow is down 81 points. The S&P down 10.25 points. Whoa. Okay. The NASDAQ down 39 points now. The Russell is up 1.8 points. Those are not great numbers, everybody. Those are not great numbers at all. The NASDAQ being down 40 points. The S&P being down 10 points. Dow being down negative 72 points. Those are not great numbers by any means. What's going on? Something is going on. The reason why, well, something is going on, right? We got to see what that is, what that something is. But with these being flat and being negative, it means no one is buying in. No one is buying in. Okay? If no one is buying in, that's an issue. Why is it an issue, Chris? Because that means overnight, no one is buying into the stock market. If you on my, If you're on my Instagram, you want to see my screen, join into my YouTube channel. Link in my bio. See my screen. The link is in my bio. The link is in my bio. So that means that overnight, nobody's buying in. In the morning time, nobody's buying in. And people are actually, some people are actually getting out of their positions. So we got to ask ourselves, what's going on? Let's take a look at this market, everybody. Let's take a look at this market. All right. Take a look here. What's going on in the world today? All right. So right here on SPY, let's look at SPY. What do we have on SPY right now? Everybody, I always break down SPY first. That's what I break down every day, all day, every day. Did I erase all of my levels? Oh, man, Jack. Come on, buddy. All right, let's do it again, man. Let's do it again. I erased all my levels. I think I did that. All right. If you're on YouTube, take this link, share it out with 5 people. Take this link, share it out with 5 people. If you're on my YouTube channel, share it out with 5 people. 5 people that you want to go on vacation with. That's always what I tell you. All right, let's look at SPY. SPY. Didn't do that. SPY. 4-hour time frame. Ooh, good. Geez, she's gonna look that great. It doesn't look that awesome, everybody. Let's see. All right, let's go here. So first time I start doing, I'm gonna draw some levels, right? First levels I'm gonna draw, I'm going to draw me some supplies, draw my supply zones. So I know I have some supply zones from 450, everybody, to 451. This is a 1-hour supply zone. From 450 to 451, we have a 1-hour supply zone. 450 to 450 to 451. This is a 1-hour supply zone. $450 to $451. Small supply zone, but right around here.
Your screen is blurry.
My screen is blurry. Let me get you right. Let me take care of you. What about now? We good? Looks good now?
Yes.
All right, beautiful. All right, so we got this supply zone sitting right here. This is a 1-hour supply zone. Let's go ahead and label it for everybody that's new right here. We're going to label the supply zone. This supply zone is called what? We call the supply zone Mary J. Blige, right? And it's based upon the song I'm Going Down, right? I'm going down. So whenever we go to a supply zone, we know that's a possibility for us to go down. Supply zone, we're going to call it Mary J. I used to call my aunt Mary J. So we got a 1-hour supply zone right here, okay? Now, we also have, which has actually been almost broken, right? Almost broken. But with 449, where am I? I'm on the wrong, oh, no one. I know I didn't erase those lines. They right here. We still good. Okay, we're right here, okay? So we got this supply zone right here, actually. I'm gonna actually do it over. Erase this right here. Do it all over. Clear drawing set. All right, here we go. Let's do this thing again. 1-hour time frame. Come on. SPY 450 to 451 once again. 450. What is going? Okay, here we go. All right, there we go. 450 to 451. Ba-da-ba. All right, supply zone, and we have a demand zone really from 449 down to 449 to 448.5. So 44. I'm gonna go to 448. Stretch it out some. 449 down here to 448. So small 1-hour demand zones, right? Small 1 hour demand zone, small 1 hour supply zone. So right here, I'm gonna type it in so you guys can remember it. Right here, we have 1 hour supply dash Mary J. Mary J, T Tyler, Miss Molly. Right here, we have 1 hour demand. Big Mama's house. We call demand zone Big Mama's house. All right. So boom. So we have that now. So we have a 1 hour demand zone, and we have a 1 hour demand zone, and we have us a nice 1 hour supply zone as well. And that range is basically from 448 to 451. This range has been a range for a long time, right? If we go back and look on this 4 hour time frame, right? Go back, look at this 4 hour time frame down here. You will see this same range happen right around here. All of this right here is roughly around this same range. Look at all that right there, those days. This is the 1 hour time frame, an hour inside. Look at all this time we was in this area right here. All of this time in this area. Okay? Then we eventually fell down from that 448 and fell all the way down. So what I'm looking for right now is if we break this 448, we can be in some trouble. If we break this 448 level, the stock market can possibly go down. Okay, the stock market could possibly go down if we break this 448. Now the question is this: if we look at this on the 1 hour, let me look at the 1 hour. That was a 4 hour time frame. Look at this on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. Look at this, everybody. We've been sitting inside of this demand zone for basically on top of it right there, and we fell down, but at the bottom of it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, almost 7 hours we've been at the bottom of this demand zone. 7 hours we've been at the bottom of this demand zone, sitting there, everybody. If we've been here for at the bottom of this demand zone for all of this time, who is here at the bottom of this demand zone? Who's at the bottom of this demand zone, everybody, if we've been sitting here this long? There's some buyers here. So if we break the bottom of this 448, I should expand this out a little bit more. Let me expand this out a tad bit more. Edit properties, 448. So if we take it down a little bit more, that means if we break the bottom of this demand zone, we could be pushing down, 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 down. Okay? We could be pushing down if we break the bottom of this demand zone. Okay? This is the 1 hour time frame. Anybody had the pivots for me in the chat, in the Zoom? Anybody have pivots for me in the Zoom?
I got them.
All right. What's my pivot level?
When you're ready.
I'm ready.
The pivot point is 449.82.
449.82. So we are beneath the pivot. Okay.
Support one. Is 448.59.
448.59. 448.59. Okay.
Support two is 447.93.
Right where we are right now. Okay. The bottom of that demand zone. All right.
We have resistance one is 450.48.
450.48. Okay.
And then resistant two is 451.71.
Appreciate it, Billy.
No problem.
All right, and this one right here is my pivot, so I'm gonna make it a different color. This is the pivot. Make it purple. I don't know why I always choose purple. We make it purple. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. Now, everybody, these are our pivot points. Chris, what are pivot points? Pivot points are key levels, key trading levels from the previous day. You got your previous day high, previous day low, previous day high, previous day low, and previous day close. Will give you, and you do some other type of math. I can't think of the top of my head. We got a calculator for it, and it gets your pivot point. And this is the pivot point. As long as we're underneath this pivot point, we're currently in put territory. Okay, as long as we're underneath here, we're in put territory, right? It's ironic that the bottom of this demand zone is our resistance 2. It's our R2 level. Pretty cool. Okay? Hey, Billy, how that AMD treated you yesterday?
It treated me pretty good, man. I got out of the ones I had Friday. I'm still in the long one like you, but I made about I was over 115% profit on
Let's go. Everybody, CYC in the chat from my main man Billy. 115% on this trade yesterday. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. 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 Everybody, look at this market right now. Look at this market. Look at this market right now. Look at this market. Pushing down. We pushing down right now. Pushing down. On my other screen over here, I got a few other things on my other screen as well that you guys can't see, but I have it over here. Okay. So we've broken through our R2, our support 2. We've broken through our support 2. The stock is currently down $1.54, $1.50. We've broken through this level right here, which was a strong level of support. Now, what we're looking for, everybody, we're looking to see if this level of support is going to go back above, back inside of this box. Because right now we have a decision-making time inside of our box. If you know how we do everything with decision-making time, right now we're dating inside of a box. So right now, when we broke through the bottom over here, it's like you breaking up in a relationship. You're dating somebody, then you officially break up. And right now we have broken up this relationship. We're no longer together. But what happens after you break up with somebody? Something always happens after you break up with somebody. The thing that happens when you break up with somebody is this. Next thing you know, about a week later, a couple days later, you get a text message that says, WYD, what you doing? Right? Why do you get a WYD text message? Because what's happening is this person is saying, hey, what you doing? I miss you. I want to be with you. I never want to leave you. Can we go catch up, get some coffee, get some coffee or some lunch or something, right? And now what's happening is you're going back to try to get some coffee and lunch, and you're testing that person to see if you should give them another chance or not. If we go back above this 447.93 area, back inside this box, that means you're giving that person another chance in this relationship. Okay, you're giving another opportunity for this person to get it right in this relationship. Okay, remember, I break the entire stock market down using R&B music and your personal relationships. Okay, R&B music and your personal relationships, everybody. Oh, y'all see me right now on YouTube. Y'all don't see my screen, do you? Interesting. Let me get y'all right. Y'all can't see me. Let me get your screen right. Somebody should have said something. Y'all probably did. I can't see the chat. My bad, everybody. My apologies, everybody. Here we go. There we go. Y'all can see my screen now. All right, good stuff. Now look at this big drop. Look at this drop happening, everybody. Look at this drop. What is going on with this market, huh? Let me go back and do something right quick, though. Boom, boom, boom. 1 year, 1 day. I erased it earlier. Put my trend line back like it's supposed to be. Okay, beautiful. Just in case. All right, here we go. We falling suit, falling down. See, I look on the 5 minute. Okay, the 5 minute, it closed outside of the box on the 5 minute. It closed outside of the box on the 5 minute. Potential opportunity for us to keep pushing down. The 15 minute looks like. Interesting. Okay. What y'all see on the in the Zoom? What you guys see? Y'all see anything right now in Zoom? See Apple pushing down as well. Apple had a nice push down overnight too. Apple had a nice drop overnight. Nice drop on Apple overnight. Everybody, do not try to be cute. Chris, what do you mean? Do not try to be cute. Everybody, do not try to be cute. If the market says it's going down, it's going down. If the market says it's going up, it's going up. Do not try to be cute. Do not try to be cute at all. Just be patient. Tesla doing the exact same thing as Apple, Jake says. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla. Where art thou? Yep, Tesla pushing down as well. Tesla's pushing down. Let's go through our big boys. All right, so we got SPY. We got Amazon. Amazon may be sued. Amazon may be sued coming up within a month or so. The FTC may be suing Amazon for something. I'm not sure the details of it. Apple's dropping down. QQQ. Gotcha. All right. QQQ dropping down. Let's see what this VIX doing right quick. The VIX. Look at the VIX. The VIX looks good. Remember those levels we drew yesterday on the VIX, everybody? The levels we drew on the VIX yesterday. Remember we had put it inside the this is the exact same. Is this the exact same box from yesterday? Let's take a look. Go to the 15 minute. Yep. Everybody, this is the exact same box from yesterday with the VIX, everybody. Remember yesterday with the VIX. When we was trading yesterday with the VIX, we kept looking at the VIX, right? And we saw when it came to this level right here, it rejected this level, went down, came back up to it, rejected again, then it pushed all the way back down here. Right now, it gapped back up. The exact same thing it did yesterday, everybody. It gapped up overnight. Boom, boom, boom. Right here, it gapped up overnight, and it's doing the exact same thing it did yesterday. It gapped up. It went here, rejected, pushing, then it pushed down some. Right now, it's trying to push back up and go above this 447 level. Everybody remember, yesterday we said 14. If it breaks that 1447 level, it's going up. I mean, SPY is going down. If it breaks that 1412 level, SPY is going up. Okay? Look how SPY is holding down. So what I'm looking for right now, we want to see, keep an eye on this, somebody. In the Zoom chat, keep an eye on the VIX for me. Okay? Somebody keep an eye on VIX for me while I'm doing my multitasking. Keep an eye on VIX. If VIX breaks 1447, let us know. Take yourself off mute and let us know it in the chat. Okay? Look at this. This is a powerful 15-minute candlestick, everybody. This is a powerful 15-minute candlestick. It's no sign of life in that 15-minute candlestick, really. No sign of life at all. So what we want to see now is on the 5-minute, we want to potentially see the 5-minute candlestick come back and retest this level right here. We want to see it retest that level. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm not sold by this market going down right now. I'm not sold on this market going down by no means right now. I'm really not. I'm really not sold by the market pushing down. I'm not sold by this push down. I'm not sold. 4 hour. We are 447 right now. 447 right now. That's the 15. What the 15-minute has for us. I'm not sold. Look at that. Look at this. This is the retest we were just talking about. This was the retest we were just talking about. This is going to tell a story. This is definitely going to tell a story. Look at this. Look at this 15-minute candlestick right now. Look at that. Now it look like a bullish candlestick, right? Look like a bullish candlestick, and look where it went to. Right back inside that box. Right now, if you put this in a relationship aspect right now, Right now, you guys broke up. Now you got the WYD text, and now you're at the restaurant on brunch, having coffee, and you're talking about it. You're rekindling for that week, right? You're rekindling right now. Okay? That's what you're doing right now. Think about a relationship. Think about a relationship when you broke up with somebody. You always go back out with them for a date just to see if you really want to be gone. If this candlestick right here, this 15-minute candlestick stays inside of this box, that means you let the person back into your life. If it closed outside this box, it means you broke up. Remember, I based all of my entries on the 15-minute time frame. I based all of my entries on the 15-minute time frame. Look at that. Look at that. I wasn't sold on it. Was not sold off of that bounce. Let's see. Let's see what we gonna do. Cause we've been wicking right here the whole time. We've been wicking right here for hours. For 7 hours. Look at this thing go. We've been sitting here in this box for 7 hours. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that push-up, everybody. That's what you call a freaking entry. Right here, off top, immediately we need to put a stop loss. We need to put a support level right here. That's crazy. But it has to hold, though. It's not over yet. It has to hold. I'm going to put a support level right here. That's a support level for us. Intraday support level because the stock came down here. It fell, and the buyers went crazy and bought in. So we know this is a key level for us, right? That's a key level for us. Look at this thing go. Holy crap. Holy crap. It got to hold. It has to hold. I said I wasn't sold by this drop off. Holy crap. Let's see. I don't make trades before 10. This is why I do not trade before 10 a.m., everybody. This is the reason why I do not trade before 10 a.m., all because of this mess right here. Look at this. Think about this. If you'd have got in before 10 a.m. on a put, it was going down, and next thing you know, it stops right here and go crazy up. Everything that you made gone. Everything that you made off that put is gone. It's crazy. Crazy. Okay. Now what do we need to see here, right? Okay. 15-minute candlestick has closed, I believe. Should have closed by now. Yep, it's closed. All right. What we want to see here is this green candlestick has to stay above this right here. It has to stay above this. Whew, holy crap. This want to go. Good geesh lamish. Man. Look over here. Let's just go over here right quick. Let's go to SPX. What's SPX doing? Boom, 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 boom. All right. Okay. SPX has to come back to that 9 as well. That's like a $12 move. Okay. Look at some all products. Look at some products. All products. We need to see continuation though. We definitely need to see some continuation. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Pushing back down, I think right now. It's pushing back down. It's moving back down. Yep, it's moving back down. Moving back down some. Boom, 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 boom. I like this one right here. This is not bad. Yeah, I like this one right here. Just for a second. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Why is everything moving so slow? Was it just me? Oh, I know why. 1 second. All right. Here we go. Pushing back. It's pushing back down. It's pushing back down. It's pushing back down right now. Let's go to SPY. All right, here we go. We pushing right here. We own this bottom level. Like I said, we want to see SPY. If we want to see an upward push, SPY has to hold this level, everybody. SPY has to hold this level for upward push. If not, we're going to come back down to this level right here. Okay. Me personally, I'm still not sold on these puts yet. Even if it breaks this right here, I'm not sold on puts yet. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be very, very, very patient with this entry point. Because what happened was, the buyers definitely bought in, but the sellers said, no, sir, not in this lifetime. And they pushing it right back down. They're pushing it right back down. Okay, we broke through, pushing back down. It's about 50% of that candlestick right now. Yeah, let's see. She may push down. She may come right back down here to this level. This is why we drew this level as another support level. Okay, we drew this level as another support level. If I enter into a trade, I'm going to set a 10% stop loss. Okay, if I enter into this trade, I'm going to set a 10% stop loss, everybody. Now, this is the thing about it. What happened? Something significant happened. Let me show you guys something what happened, right? Check this out. Boom, 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 boom. All right, something significant happened, right? Right here. You see how we're at the top of this box, right? So listen, remember, every time I tell you, I break the stock market down using your personal relationships, okay? So check this out. The market start right, it's right here. Everything's going, the relationship is starting off rocky. We going up, 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 boom. We hit the top. The person says, I want to be with you. Do you want to be with me? I want to be with you. Do you want to be with me? And it rejects. Boom, 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 boom. It comes down here. Okay? Or it could have started right here, went up there, whatever, right? But it came down here, up and down. And then it came back up here. Boom, boom, boom. I want to be with you again. XYZ. They singing all these love songs to you. Don't leave me, girl. Please stay with me tonight. The stock goes back up to the top of the box. Right here. Listen, I want to be with you. Do you want to be with me? Let's be together. Let's make it last forever. Right? Let's make it last forever. And the person say, listen, I can't be with you right now. I love you. I trust you. But listen, I got these walls up and I'm afraid of being hurt and I cannot be with you. So boom, it pushed back down here to this level right here. Boom. And bounced off of the level again. When it got to this level, what happened again, everybody? What happened again? The person started pleading, begging, ain't too proud to beg. Don't leave me, girl. All these things. And it came back up here to the top. When it came back up here to the top, what did it do again? It rejected again. And it pushed back down here. And right now, we're right here. Same love story, everybody. If you put the market into a love story, you understand what's going on. So right now, what we're doing is we're dating inside of this box right now. We're dating inside of a box right now. That's what's taking place. We break beneath this right here and hold, we're going down here. We break above here and hold, that means we're going up. Jagged edge to the upside, Chris Brown to the downside. I break the entire stock market down using R&B music and your personal relationship, everybody. That's how we do it. Somebody got a question?
Good morning, Chris. How you doing?
Good morning, Sebastian. We in your zone, brother.
Yes. If you go back to the 84,
yep.
You'll see that we're sitting right there in that zone that ends at about 446.49. So that's a pretty strong support now because that used to be the resistance level.
Yep.
That used to be the supply zone.
Exactly. That's the same. That's that zone. It's the zone. And we keep coming back to the same zone. And when we get to this zone, we consolidate. Like right now, for example, we've been here for an hour. We've been in this zone, not for an hour, but for like almost 7, let's see. Almost 1, 2, well, even if you count up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hours we've been sitting here in this zone. 14 hours. We've been sitting right here in the zone.
I would definitely hold off on the puts, but if we do break below that 446.50, then the next zone is 443.97.
So you got 446.50 right here, the next level too, and then you say 443.
Yeah, if we break through the 446.50, then we'll be on the way down to that 443 that we went to before. Remember, we were range bound there for a while.
Oh yeah, and that's where we had the bounce at the last time. So remember the 1 year, 1 day. Yeah, this needs to be moved up some.
Good morning, everybody.
Yeah, I need to move.
Hey, good morning.
Yeah. Yep. If we go down to that 443, we should be looking for another bounce. I don't like this. I didn't do a good job with this trend line. 1 second. I didn't think so.
Someone was saying we had news at 10 o'clock.
Do we have some infrastructure news or something? Everybody, somebody, what the VIX is doing? I asked somebody to take a look at the VIX. Anybody? What the VIX doing right now?
The VIX is consolidating.
Consolidating? All right.
Yes.
Yeah. I hate when I use this MacBook with no mouse. I don't know where my mouse is at.
Yeah, if you look, the VIX gap jump this morning. It's been consolidating in a perfect straight line ever since.
Same thing he did yesterday. Exact same thing he did yesterday. All right. In this zone. So if I do get in, matter of fact, I'm going to do a 15% stop loss. So right now what we have is, if I were to enter in on calls, I would be entering in as a trader, and I'm gonna have a stop loss somewhere right around here. My stop loss would be right around here, so I'll be giving basically like almost 50 cents if I was entering. But I want to wait till this 10 o'clock bell ring. But it's to the upside. It's not too powerful to the upside quite yet. It's not too powerful to the upside yet. It's really not. It's not that powerful yet. It's struggling to the upside. It really is struggling to this upside.
I have a question about yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday we had actually some really good moves to the north, like Tesla, Apple, just a lot of different stocks moving north, but the SPY never really seemed to react to it.
Yep. SPY held on. SPY would not do what it's supposed to do yesterday. It kind of held on. How your AMD look yesterday?
Yeah, we went up like a few more percent yesterday.
Yeah, we look good on AMD.
Yeah, today we're down a couple, but still far so good.
Yeah, not bad at all. But yeah, so something was lagging with SPY. I can't say exactly what it was, but something was definitely lagging with SPY yesterday. Something was definitely lagging. If you're on Instagram and you want to see my screen, go to my YouTube channel. Come to my YouTube channel. Somebody said we do have news coming out at 10 though. Can somebody confirm that? Can someone confirm that? I'm seeing some data just came out just now. S&P. This thing is holding. It really is holding. It really is holding. But it's weak though. This is the thing about it. It's weak though, right? It's holding this level of support, right? Which we understand is a strong level of support, but it's so weak. It's very, very, very weak. It's like at any moment, it's like at any moment the bottom could just fall out. And we fall right back down here to this 440, this 447.39 area. And I may enter in light. I may enter in very light. If you look right here, it's weak. You see, so look at these wicks right here on the 5 minute, everybody. We got these wicks to the top. That means we're trying to push up, but we keep getting pushed down, right? So right now we kind of stuck in some consolidation at the moment, right? But we do know we pushed down right here to this 447.40 area. We did a nice bounce off of that 447. We went up from 447.39 all the way up to $1. We went up almost $1.20, $1.20 off of that bounce. Okay, in less than 10 minutes.
A heads up, if SPY's not going to react like it did yesterday, a better play might be QQQ today.
Well, it's looking like, let's see. What you see on QQQ though? What you see?
You know, they've got a lot more movement, especially on the 1 hour yesterday than SPY did and SPX did.
Yeah, I see you saying it.
We moved on to tech stocks.
Yeah, we moved up. Tech stocks took a small beating last night too. Tech stocks went down about, the futures went down about 40 points last night. The futures did on tech. And then, yeah, so that's totally different. Yeah, tech went crazy yesterday with it because AMD was pushing it some. AMD was definitely pushing some. Let me see. Who was in in Intel? Who was that who got into Intel yesterday? Or did they get into, or did you not get into it? Was that, who was that? Was that, I can't remember who that was. He must not be on the call right now. But if he got an Intel yesterday, that was a pretty nice move for him. When he got into those puts, if he did. Okay, here we go. 10 o'clock. Almost 15 seconds. It may have been Frank. It may have been Frank. It may have been Frank. All right, boom. They go to drop. Here go to drop, the 10 o'clock drop. Or just a 10 o'clock move at all. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this push down. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Let's see what's. Woo!
The same for QQQ as well. QQQ is dropping massively.
Woo! Man, I know, right? That thing wasn't playing.
That's why I hold strong on staying out before 10, man.
That's why I don't trade before 10 o'clock. This is why I do not trade before 10, man. It's crazy. Crazy. What news came out? I don't. Okay, the manufacturing news. There we go. I see it. The manufacturing news came out. Manufacturing news shouldn't move it like that. Gracious. And it ran straight through this one right here, everybody. Good geesh Louise.
If you look at like the 1 year, you see that it's actually on par with a normal August and September. The tech stocks dropping.
Yeah, September's normally a rough month. Normally a rough month September is, man.
Yeah, that month of September's rough. I remember Nick told me that about a week ago. He's talking September's rough.
Yeah, man, it has its pitfalls, I'll tell you that much. Go back to SPX right quick. Boom, boom. Yep, XPX doing its thing, falling on down. Oh yeah, SPX way more expensive too right now. Look at that thing go. Look at that drop. TLC, everybody. TLC. TLC. Don't go chasing those waterfalls. All right, come.
Ooh, AMD just took a hit, boy.
Yeah, it did take a big boy. Let me see. AMD, my AMD, what you doing? Oh yeah, I'm down $400 something with AMD right now today. 433 on that swing trade. Yep. Nice push down. 446 SPY. 446 SPY.
Yeah, that 446 50 still holding strong.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see.
Yeah, but I still don't trust it though. I still don't trust the push down. I still do not trust the push down.
Especially because there's still a strong support down there. It's a
Yeah,
low level support.
exactly. I don't trust the push down still. I'm not sold on the push down. I'm not sold on it. I'm not sold on it at all. Let's see what this 4 hour is talking about. $447. 446, 447. We can definitely push down that 443 though. We could definitely push down to that 440. Yeah, we could. 444, 444. We can definitely go down that way.
So I got another little humbling lesson yesterday for all the other new people in here. I entered in the SPX. All my indicators said perfectly correct. It's going to be the bounce up. All of the technicals say that it's bouncing up, but of course SPX and SPY didn't react yesterday. So I'm just watching Apple run. I'm watching Nvidia go up. I'm watching everything go up. And my money hit like $60 or whatever. In my head, I was like, take the profit. It's all good. But then I'm like, yesterday it ran crazy and I missed out on the 1,000. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wait. So I ended up losing like $15 or whatever. But like it never reacted. And then when it dropped, SPX decided to go with it.
It's crazy. That's how it does. When you see a stock that doesn't, like I used to trade Amazon all the time, right? And I see QQQ might be going crazy. And Amazon, when QQQ goes crazy, Amazon does not react. When I see that, I know whenever QQQ decides to pull back, Amazon is going to hit the ground. It sucks when it happens, but when you identify that and you see a stock that you're in is not reacting to what the overall market is doing, and it should because of the weight of it inside the ETF, that's a signal right there. Say, listen, I know it's going when it pulls back, I'm going to get hurt. Look at this right here. Look at this H pattern.
It also does confirm that the technicals really are just 75%. There are other factors.
Oh yeah, definitely. A lot of other factors.
I'm taking AMD, man. It's hitting close to that 61.8 fib. So let me bounce back up.
For re-entry.
Yeah, I'm down bad right now.
So
I'm still in that play I got on with you when I repositioned that one time. I'm still up.
Yeah.
25%.
Well, that's good. That's good. And the thing about this thing about AMD. I'm sorry. Go ahead, Billy. No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
So AMD, the CEO for AMD, she had like conversations, like she's been speaking at places like the past week, I want to say, but she's pumping this thing like everything's looking up and up with the AI, all this good stuff. Everything's looking on the up and up for AMD. So that's why it's definitely if you're in AMD, you're gonna get hit with the volatility, the up and down of the market. But the main thing is when everything smooths out, we get the information that we need, and if the market is going in a good spot, AMD is gonna run, right? But like you say, like if the market's taking a beating because of just things in the atmosphere, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna go down as well. It's gonna go down as well with the overall market. But AMD is in a good place. Personally, that's why I have mine so far out, and I'm not going anywhere at all.
Hey Chris, I got a question. Normally with your plays that's further out like that, your swings.
Mm-hmm.
I know most of the time, when you got a good swing, I know you're gonna be over 100%. Normally when you got a good one, but what's the longest you waited on a swing, and what's the most you took percentage wise?
Uh, man, I'll be honest with you, man. Listen, I'll be struggling with them swing plays, man. I tell you, when I see a few $1,000s right there, I take it, bro. It's been times I didn't get in. I got out of swing trades. I could have probably made thousands and thousands, $25,000, but I can't take it. I'm gonna be completely honest. I can't take it. I refuse. I refuse to lose all. I refuse to lose all this money I just made on it. And one night it just happened to fall down, man. So honestly, I can't even say, but I know I might buy 1 year out, man. And 2 months in, I'm out. I'm done.
Okay.
You know, so
So
I've never held a stop for a whole year. Put it like that. Never.
gotcha.
All right, the VIX is rejecting again. The VIX is rejecting again. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I don't trust this push down. I really don't. I don't trust the push down right now. I don't trust it. I really don't. I'm about to enter in with a 15% stop loss. Oh man. I ain't want that to be up there.
You get into a call?
Yep, I'm entering into a call with a 15% stop loss. I'm entering in light. Why I keep doing that? I'm entering in very light. Add a few more. All right, so I'm entering in on calls, everybody. 15% stop loss set. I'm in SPX. I got a 50-cent delta right now. Entered in light. 15% stop loss. So you will see my stop loss is set. I'm only giving up about my stop loss. So I'll pull this back up. Basically, if it breaks that 446.50, I'm out. Right, so I'm not risking too much at all. I'm only risking about, how much money am I risking? What SPX at? I thought I did a target order. I guess I didn't do a target order. I thought I did a target order. Anyway, I'm only going to risk about $200 on this particular play. So I got my stop loss set right there already. Risk about $200 is the risk. And let's see, where is SPX? As you can see right here, my stop loss is set. If I get stopped out, lose about $200 some odd dollars. Not bad at all. If I get stopped out right here, the reason why I'm getting in is for two reasons. The VIX, rejection off of the VIX right here. Rejection off of the VIX right here. The VIX is back at the top again. So I'm playing the rejection off of this VIX. Okay. Rejection off of that VIX. That's one of my driving forces. Also that we push down to this 446 level, this 4465 level. Know this level is this level of support. So basically, in other words, we break through this level right here, I'm gone. Not risking anything but $200, everybody. That's all I'm risking. Got 7 contracts. VIX. And I want to see the VIX. I want to see the VIX come back down here to this 1412 area. That's why I would love to see the VIX come back down to. That would be great for me.
There's only about a $10 window below your zone, so you're in a good spot.
Yeah, I'm not risking much at all. I'm literally probably risking about 50 cents.
Next place that it will bounce off of and off of the 20-day 1 hour is 44.6213. So you're only about $10 above that.
You said 44462?
Yep, you're only about $10 above it right now.
Gotcha. All right, let's see. Where are we with Apple? Apple's still in a free fall. Let's see. Yep, Apple is still in a free fall right now. She's falling. She's saying, I keep on falling in. Start calling Apple Alicia Keys around this thing, man. We got Meta. Meta's falling as well. Well, Meta looks similar to SPY right now. That big push down right here and kind of sitting right there. Microsoft still going down as well. It is a lot of selling pressure though. I'm not gonna lie about that. That's why I'm only risking the bare minimum right now. I'll go back to SPY. See what we're doing over here. All right, we're coming back down to this level. Remember, if we break this level, I'm basically out. Okay, come back down to that level, I'm out. Nvidia down $14. Good geesh. Nvidia was just at, let's see, hour. Nvidia was just poking at $500 the past few days. Now it's down to $470. Nvidia is like the new Tesla and the new Amazon. When Tesla and Amazon would move 30 to 40 to 50 to 60 to $70 in one day. QQQ down bad. Nice strong 1 hour candlestick. Nice strong 1 hour candlestick. Look good. Keesh, look at QQQ on a 15-minute time frame.
Yeah, I should have bought into that for sure.
Right. Tesla down $10. Somebody said Tesla is down $10. Let's take a look at Tesla. Yeah, Tesla down 10. Real bad. Yeah, this market is definitely falling. Definitely falling. See what the VIX got going on. VIX trying to work itself back up. The VIX is trying to work itself back up. I got into my play, y'all, based off of the rejection of this VIX. Just want you guys to know the rejection of this VIX right here. I got out of my play on this one based off of this rejection of this VIX from it hasn't broken through. So potentially a good entry point for it. I'm not risking anything major. I would lose roughly around $200, then I'm out. So I'm not risking anything major at all on this particular play. I'm looking to play a quick push, bounce, push back up off of that 446 on SPY, and off the rejection of the VIX. If it works out for me, it's gonna be a nice push up. But if not, a break of this, I'm done diddy. I'm gone.
Hey guys, keep an eye on QQQ. The call options are very inexpensive right now. They're like in the money's only 89 cents a coin.
Wow.
So like a small jump will get you a big jump in price. And it's currently going up.
You said QQQ. Oh, right here, 5 minute. Yeah.
So even a small move there, just a decent change real quick if you're scalping.
Mm-hmm. They all look the same right here. So we've been consolidating about 15 minutes of the same area. Consolidating about 15 minutes of the same area. You put it in actually put it inside of a box if you want to, like right here. Put it inside of a box. Boom. And boom. Right here. You want to see it you're going to see it do two things. It's either going to break and push back down. It's going to be a bearish candlestick that push all the way back down. Or it's going to be a bullish and bounce and go up and test this 9 EMA, potentially. All right? Best case, it's going to definitely come up here. If it came up to this level, I'll be getting out somewhere around here in this area. This would be my price target on QQQ, right there. I'll be saying take money home. Take money right there. That'd be my take money spot.
SPY is pushing up.
You said you got out of your play, or you still in your play for SPX?
Oh no, I'm still in.
Okay, cool. It's pushing up.
Yeah, I got a stop loss set. So let's see. All right, we got.
QQQ, SPY, SPX all pushing up.
So we have to break above this 447.39 area. We want to see it break above this area. Stay strong, bold candlesticks. I do not want to see a wick push down. If I see a wick push down right here, if this candlestick right here turns back red, I'm done. Okay, if that candlestick turns red, I'm done. Because that means the sellers are moving down gradually. The buyers are trying to buy back in right now. The sellers we want to see right now are the sellers trying to push back down. Boom, boom, boom. If the sellers push this thing back down, I'm done. I'm probably gonna take that $200 loss. It is what it is, right? But what I want to see is I want to see this candlestick right here take out this candlestick over here as far as more than 50% of it. If it does that, I feel okay. I feel a little confident.
I didn't even notice that it bounced off the 446.49.
Yeah, that's what made me get in. That bounce off of that 446.
Yeah, I was driving. I didn't see it till just now. I would have got in that.
That and that VIX rejection. So we're gonna see. But it all depends on right now. Right now we have to reject this level right here. If we don't reject this 447.39 level, it's gonna probably come back down here. Right back down here to this 4465 again. And me personally, I don't want to see that happen. Not at all. Don't want to see that happen at all.
Technically, we're still in Big Mama's house on the 180 day.
On the 4 hour.
Yeah. So we're still there for a moment. That zone stops at 447.44, then it'll be out of it.
Yeah, we struggling right here on this push up. In my opinion, it should have already pushed through already by now. In my opinion, it should have already pushed through.
These are the days when, as a beginner, I think I'll just stay out of the market.
Now you driving too, though, man. So you need to.
I'm at my warehouse now. I was driving before, that's why I just missed that bounce. But I made it to the warehouse. It's just not. It's easier when there's decent sized plays to read the market than right now where you can't really get a gauge on it.
Yep. Cannot. So for me, everybody, let me go to the 15-minute time frame. See this candlestick. So for my trade, I want to see on the 15-minute candlestick. I want to see this in general. We have to break through this. We have to break through. It's struggling very, 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 very much. It's struggling to get through. Struggling to break through. And look like a potential rejection as well. Yep. Look like a potential rejection right here. Potential rejection right here. There she goes. Rejecting right here. Wiping out this whole candlestick right here. Now, granted, we can see a wick and push that back up. That'll be a strong indication. But if not, we're going to, like I said previously, if we reject this level right here, we're going to push on back down here to that level. U.S. Majority Leadership says need bipartisan to avoid government shutdown. Oh, interesting. I see what Apple doing. Apple had that one green candlestick. Yeah, I think it's gonna flush down.
Well, that's a perfect question. What happens to the market if there's a government shutdown?
I don't think nothing, honestly. I think the market still does what the market's gonna do. So we had a nice buy-in right here, and then here go the push back down happening right now. Right here, yep. It's rejected. So like we always say, it came back to the 9 EMA. We decision-making time, push down, came back to the 9 EMA. Right now at the 9 EMA, what is it trying to do? It's trying to push back down the 9 EMA. Attempting to push back down on the 9 EMA. The dog is trying to run away again. So what we have to see is, once again, if you remember that A trade, B trade, C trade, if you're an A trader, B trader, C trader, A trader would have got in right here. The B trader would get in at the break of this 4465 for the push down. There go the dump. Here it goes. Like I said, rejection of this right here is going to push all the way back down and I'm done. 15-minute candlestick is probably bullish. I mean, bearish is crazy. There you go. Bearish. 15-minute candlestick. Got to be more careful on that. But let's see. Still got to see a break of this 4465. Still got to see a break of that 4465. I keep on falling in and out. I should be getting stopped out right about now. There we go. Stopped out, lost 245, everybody. Remember, called the play perfectly. Called it exactly what could possibly happen. I said if we reject this level right here, I played the bounce. If we come to this level right here, reject, it's going to push back down. I'm going to lose. So I lost 245. Let's see, the VIX probably kept going up. Let's see. Did the VIX break through yet? It's on its way up trying to. On its way trying to.
Well, at the very least, that is a good example of why you try to trust the trend.
Exactly, right? On this 5-minute time frame right here, it was executed perfectly. Look at this. Decision-making time. The count, it pushed down right here. Pushed down. Came back to the 9 EMA. Now look at everybody. Boom, we're coming to break this 4465 now. Perfect example of setting your stop loss. Perfect example of going with the trend as well. Me personally, I have a larger account, so I can get into a play and make plays and lose 245, right? And then come back and get into a different play, right? So, and get into a different play. Let's spin this out. Extend this out as well. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. So let's see.
It's hammering a little support line directly below that 446.50, but it's still bouncing back up.
Yes, it's weak though. It's definitely weak.
Oh yeah, no, I wouldn't get another car right now.
Yeah, it's definitely weak right now.
We continue to break through where we're at now. Excuse me.
If you're on YouTube, hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the like and subscribe button if you're on YouTube. Apple is still kind of fluctuating down. SPY. So SPY's down $2.78 right now. $2.78 right now.
This is actually giving me a little confidence that it might hit that 443 if we keep going in this trajectory.
Yeah, it definitely can. It definitely can.
443.86, the next zone.
It definitely could. That's why I said it's two. That's why I'm looking at it's two something down right now. When SPY drops or goes up, it possibly goes normally about anywhere from maybe a $4 to $6 day. I think the ATR, $4 to $6, somewhere around that way.
Take a quick look at the 4-hour, right? You'll see where that massive candle stretch. We're almost identical to that on this side.
Oh yeah, right here.
See that fall off. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a whole order block
on the 29th.
On a 4-hour. Yep, it's a whole order block. I mean, not order block, but fair value gap right here. Whole thing.
So if it stays weak like this, we could see it go all the way down there.
Mm-hmm. Right down here. And also, for some reason, my trend line is, I feel like it's off for some reason. It's definitely off. Because that trend line shouldn't be at that 437.
Now, would this be a point for an A trade if we're feeling like it's going towards 443?
me see. 15-minute time frame for a day trade. Now you'd be a B trader right now, because right now the A was right here and right at this rejection. Right now you seeing it's breaking your support level. That'd be that B entry right now. B entry with the retest. B entry with the retest. You want to see it has to reject this 446.5 now. So now we're looking to see for a rejection off of that 446.5. Because the market is basically just telling us it's weak. It's like right now, it gets so weak in these SWV. And that SWV, we got escape. I think it's SWV. It's so weak in the knees. Here we go. Looking like she ready to go. All right. Okay. Yeah, she ready to move.
There. I will say it's not a bad B.
No, not a bad B at all. Not a bad B at all. I'll tell you that much. It's a nice B. Real nice. And it's still struggling. But what is basically telling us right now is this. I didn't mean to do that. 15 minutes. What it's telling us is this, everybody. It's the perfect setup. Decision making time. Boom, push down, bounce up, boom, boom, boom. Break through it here, right here. We broke a level of support, boom. Come down here, retest, fall down. Come back up here, retest, fall back down. We're falling down right now. RSI oversold, but I think that's okay for right now. All right, so here we go. Let's see what is retest. Let's see if we actually retest this 4465 area. Let's see if we retest this 4465 area on a 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we retest it.
Yeah, Apple's sitting right there where it started breaking towards the upside, so we might.
Everything is drastically oversold, but the momentum is not slowing down. Oversold, but the momentum not slowing down. All right, here we go. We're looking to retest this 4465, everybody. Looking to retest. Are we going to go back inside, or are we going to reject and continue to push down? That's the next question. Here we go. Let's see what we gonna do. All right, we at the 4465. What we gonna do? Apple holding tight. It's no authority. It's no major authority at all. No major authority at all. $824 supply zone. Let's see. 824 supply zone. August 24th. Right around here, baby, right around here. August 24th, 4:45. Yeah. Yep. Definitely could draw that as a level. You definitely could draw that as a level. You definitely could draw that as a level as well. Definitely could. Like we're trying to reject that level. Like we're trying to reject that level. It's drastically oversold though. Drastically oversold. Apple, Spot, Amazon, SPX. I like this stock right here too, y'all. SMCI. I really, really like this stock. Keep an eye on it. Put it on your watch list. You ain't gotta do nothing with it, but just look at it. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. But just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on this one thing right here, this stock right here. Keep an eye on it. All right, everybody. So that is another episode of Wealth Wednesdays live tradings. Wealth Wednesdays live trading. Hope you guys enjoyed that session. If you've never traded before, hope you like this session. Let me go through some of these questions before I get out of here. Just trying to make an extra $250 per week, consistently retiring next few years. Dope. I love it. I love it. You said $250 per week. Oh man, that'd be dope. Yeah, that's dope. Rico, let me go up here some. I haven't seen any of these messages, y'all. Okay, let's see. I definitely do not have a clue without seeing what's going on. Sorry, Miss Tanisha McNeil. Hopefully you was able to see it. I see you fine. Can you show us the hourly demand? Look, the market is pivoting to the energy sector. Aaron Davis, the market is pivoting to the energy sector. Watch out for your mistakes. I bought calls. I meant to buy puts. William Brown, definitely. That's an A entry. Where is the B entry at? Look at the Good stuff, Nakia. Nakia said I cut my put in profit. Good stuff. Congratulations. Everybody put CYC in the chat for. I would have hit at my work target. TLC, I have not. Tesla, My bad. I didn't see none of that stuff, Aaron. I didn't see none of that stuff. I'm going to check it out, though. Yep, Gregory, they was dating. Exactly. No, I mean, you can Allegra. I mean, it's only like 30. The market opens at 9 o'clock, 9:30. So the market opens at 9:30. So it's only 30 minutes. Just being patient and waiting. Which call option should I buy? Is it worth getting a low percentage chance option or only high percentage chance, which means my capital? I'm not understanding that question, M Sense. Ask it again. So the ISM number came in at 54, indicates the economy is still strong, so another interest rate high could come this year. Oh, I see what you're saying, Rico. Good stuff. So would you get out of your AMD trade because of volatility? No, I'm in my AMD trade for the long haul. I got 190 something days. I'm not selling my AMD at all. I'm not selling my AMD right now. Yeah, William Brown, I should listen to you. September's a triple witching. Yep. Good stuff, everybody. Good stuff. What do you think about Google right now? Let me see. What do I think about? You do this every Wednesday? Yes, I do this every single Wednesday. Live trade. We call it Live Trade Wednesdays. Google shot up over earnings, and ever since then it really just been sitting in the same place. So Google is always a strong play, but basically it shot up over earnings, and ever since then it hasn't done anything really for the most part. So Just something to keep an eye on, look out for. Something to keep an eye out for. All right, everybody. So let me jump out of here. Hopefully everybody enjoyed it. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, tell your friends, your families about it. We do this every single Wednesday. Every single day we have a morning call every single day. We have a morning call every single morning. We have a call right here on YouTube, okay? So on YouTube, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. And I'll catch you guys next Wednesday, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow as well. Also, if you want a free course, go to my Instagram right now, type the word in free. Go to my Instagram under any one of my pictures, type in the word free, and I will send you a free course right now. Okay, I'll send you a free course right now. So go to my Instagram, type in the word free. I'm going to send you a free course. Also, remember, everybody, October 9th through October 13th is the next 5-day mastermind. Okay, is the next 5-day mastermind. It's October 9th through October 13th. I'm going to teach you how to trade stock options from the beginning to end. Jay Washington said he's up 175 for the day. Jay, CYC in the chats for Jay, everybody. Jay Washington up 175 for the day. Congratulations, my guy. Congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations, everyone. Y'all have a good one, everybody. All praise to the Most High.